Okay, this topic is about inventory first in first out system. So you look at your workbook, page 111, exercise 2, question 2. Company is Quartz Business. Okay, so in the question, what they have given you is just the dates of transaction, purchases, and cost of sales. So what do you do here? Part A, calculate cost of sales for the month. The easiest way to tackle this question is you do your inventory ledger account like this, right? One extra column to add, and that is the quantity column. Okay, why does it help? Because you are doing first in first out inventory system, right? Okay, so when you do first in first out, you are calculating the stocks, the inventories that are moving out relevant to whatever is left, and then those will be the next batch. You have to do it by batches. Okay, you use the word batches. So first the stock comes in 2nd 9 September 2080, and the prices, the costs are different, right? So you have to record it based on the actual cost incurred. 13 another batch. Then 17th September there was a sale of 100 units. So what does this tells you? The 100 units will have to be the first two batches that comes in that equals to 100. Okay, and calculating this 100 units, what are the amount? Look at how I get it. The sum of the first two, 80 and 20 units. So this will be my cost of sales for this sale of 10,600. Okay, so this is how you do first in first out. The unit price is actually the cost divided by the number of units. Okay, but for this question it's not relevant because they did not break up. So you can also just do it by summing up the two batches will do. If they do break up, then unit price becomes relevant. You have to calculate exactly the units that are left. So continue with the purchases 23rd, 25th, in 20, and then 29 September another sale. 40 units at 5,003. 40 units. So what does that tell you? The next 20 that's here. Okay, let's use another color. Next 20 that's here, blue. Okay, the next 20 that's here. Oh, blue is too dark. The next 20 that is here, and this one and this one. Yeah, you have to follow the line exactly. So same thing, how I calculated the batches is actually 20,005. Okay, yeah, so it's altogether 4,003. Okay, so that is the cost for this. So this amount cost of sales is for this batch. This amount cost of sales is for this batch, as you can see from the color differentiation. Then part B of the question will ask you cost of sale amount, inventory amount, bring down the balance to the following month. So how do you bring down the balance? If you have a quantity column, whatever is purchased in is positive, whatever is cost of sales you minus out. Okay, your balance unit 20 units, balance amount 1,006, same. So these are the units that go up, 140, right? Balance amount 1,006. Okay, so what is the unit for the 1,006? Okay, so just 1,006 divided by 20 units. So how do you prepare your statements? Okay, so the statement will be a statement of financial performance. What is the sales? You can see here the sales selling price 10,600 plus 5,300. Cost of sales calculated above is your 7,004 and 4,003. So these are the relevant abstract to show in your financial performance. Then come down to financial position. Only thing left is your inventory balance, and that is 1,600 down here. Right? So that's it, the typical question for first in first out GCO level point first in first out system accounting. This is what they'll ask.